Hi, this is a short video to point out something I just noticed on WordPress. This might have been updated a while ago. I'm not sure when they made this update, but as of now, when I go into WordPress and I post a link to my Amazon book, just the link looks like that. And then I put enter here, it will automatically generate a preview like this that has the book cover and buy on Amazon and share links, which is a pretty neat feature that, like I said, I didn't notice until now. When I post in the link, it automatically does that. So this is really good, especially for a lot of the content that I make. I'm making one that's 25 incredible fallen angel romances for young adult readers because I'm working on a fallen angel romance. So what I'll do is I'll pull 25 books by other authors who have written fallen angel romances, and I'll tell them I feature them in my best fallen angel romances book posts. A lot of those authors will share my post, and then I'll be able to get this article to rank on the first page of Google. So what I've usually done is I go to add media, and you have to go to Amazon and right click over the cover and copy the image address, and then go back to WordPress and upload, insert from URL, paste the address, and then I would also get the link straight to the book and go back here and add custom URL. So that's the process that I would have had to go through. That works fine too. That way I just get the cover. I'll still have to add description. I usually add like a short review or a couple reviews from Amazon or a very short description, and then I just link to the covers of all of these books. That's still one way to do it. It just takes a little longer. I think it's pretty awesome that this new feature will be a lot quicker. I can just grab a whole bunch of links and put them in WordPress, and it should work really quickly. The danger in this kind of feature is that in a possible future WordPress update, that may not work anymore, and then I'll have a post that just has a bunch of links. I'm going to risk it for now anyway because it's really fast and easy, and if I notice that it's not displaying correctly in the future, I can go back and get the images and the links the way that I would like to. Let me see if I can go and see what this looks like. So I put this on my fiction blog. I also have a young adult genre blog. So this is what it looks like. Oops. It shows the cover. It's got a little box. It shows buy on Amazon, share, and preview. So these buttons are all just automatically generated just by putting the straight link to Amazon into your WordPress dashboard. It's a really nifty feature. I'm going to be using it a lot. I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, it's possible that something will change in the future and it won't show up this way anymore. But for the meantime, I think it's really cool. I'm going to use it a lot, so maybe that's helpful for other people who use WordPress and want to include links to their books or other people's books. Thanks, bye-bye.